The purpose of this video is to show you how to log into and complete a Nearpod lesson. The first thing you'll want to do is go to nearpod.com. This is what the website will look like when you pull it up. And you'll need to enter the code right here in this box. Now for this lesson, I'm going to enter in a demo code that I've got. And all I do is type in the 5-digit code right here where it said enter code. YFZIT. I'm going to click this blue arrow and I'm going to follow a few directions. The student will need to put in their name. And then join session. Now it's important that they do enter their name. That way their teacher will know it was them that completed the lesson. And then they can direct their progress in this lesson themselves. So all they have to do is click these arrows on the right to work their way through the lesson. This lesson is about volcanoes, and I have a few examples here to show you some different activities that they might encounter. This one is a slideshow. And I can scroll through here by using the down arrow to see the different slides. I can also click on the sides on the left, and that'll help me view them as well. And when your student has finished viewing them, they can click the arrow to go to the next slide. This is an open-ended question. All they have to do is type in the box. Submit when they're finished, and their answer will be recorded. This is a video slide. In order to watch the video, just click the play button. The video will play inside the Nearpod app. When the video is finished, click the next button. This is a VR slide, meaning virtual reality. If you have a phone or an iPad, you can move around the room or turn around and get a better view, but this works on your desktop or laptop as well. You just click and drag on your screen and they can see all around whichever virtual environment was included in their presentation. I'm going to hit the next slide. This one's fill in the blank. All they have to do is click a word and drag it to the correct blank. When they've finished all the words, I didn't actually read that, but when they finish all the words, click next. This is a drawing slide. So they click their little pencil down here. They can even change the color of it if they want. And then they're going to circle the name of the plate that they're located in. Then they'll click submit and they'll be brought to the next slide. This is a collaboration board. So there's a question that's asked here and they'll type their answer in here. Then hit the post button. Depending on the settings of the classroom, they may be able to see other classmates' posts in this space as well. Click the next slide button. And typically the last thing they'll encounter will be a quiz. All they have to say is let's go. Select each of their answers and then click submit. Selecting an answer, submit. Select an answer, submit. Now it's important to note that if they don't hit the submit button, it won't log their answers in to these forms. So anytime there's a form or a slide that they need to input information, whether it be an open response or a drawing or a quiz, make sure that they hit submit after each of the slides. And that's it. Tap submit to turn in your final answers. They get to see their score. They can even look and see what the correct answer should have been. When they're done reviewing their answers, click the next, and you'll end up with a thank you slide to let you know that the presentation is over. To exit the slideshow, all you have to do is click this little down arrow and click exit. And that is it. That is how you log into and complete a Nearpod lesson.